Start with the highest, most dust-prone surfaces first so you do not recontaminate cleaned areas below. Use a long-handled microfiber mop or rag with a telescoping pole and a washable microfiber head to trap dust rather than just moving it around. Work in overlapping strokes away from your body and toward the nearest safe exit so dust falls onto a controlled path that you finish with a HEPA filtered vacuum on low suction to capture settled particles. For metal, glass, or finished wood fixtures, lightly mist the microfiber with water or a pH-neutral cleaner and avoid soaking to prevent drips. For painted drywall or acoustic tiles, use a dry microfiber head only to avoid damage. Maintain contact with the surface while wiping to capture fine particulates and inspect seams, light fixtures, HVAC grills, and tops of signage where dust accumulates in layers. Rotate cleaning frequency by area. High-traffic lobbies and conference rooms weekly, general offices every 2 weeks, and seldom used spaces monthly, adjusting for visible buildup. Keep a checklist for each zone and log dates so above-head tasks become part of routine rounds rather than occasional projects. Common mistakes include using feather dusters that just redistribute particles and create allergy triggers, replace them with microfiber tools, and finish with a vacuum. Another issue is cleaning only when dust is visible, which allows layers to harden. Prevent that by scheduling regular above-head dusting and noting trouble spots for more frequent attention. A third concern is unsafe access, like standing on chairs or unstable platforms. Always use rated extension poles and mobile platforms with guardrails and ensure staff are trained in safe reach techniques. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical project ideas related to maintaining office spaces like above-head cleaning plans. We host a discussion community where contractors and property managers exchange tips, ask questions, and find work opportunities with nearby clients.